Welcome to Chitrayan drawing class for kids. Today I am going to show you how to draw and paint a boat easily. If you are following this tutorial, watch this video till end. You can follow my drawing step by step. Let's start. Now I draw a sleeping line at the little bit lower portion. Now I draw a standing line. I make a 4. Now I draw the capital letter M and join the line. At last we erase the line. Draw curved line for water. Now I make U upside down. Okay, our boat is ready for color. Now I choose the color. Primary red. At first we draw the border line with primary red. There is no paper white. Light green. Orange. In pastel color, at first we draw border line. Then I fill the color with one direction, left to right, not up and down. Yellow ochre. Brown. Black. At first I finish the border line, then I fill the color left to right. Sky blue. Primary red. Deep green. Black. Cerulean blue. Now I draw the stick with pencil. I think I finished my work. My only advice to you, practice every day because practice makes a man perfect. Hope you like this video. If yes, then like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Your support will encourage us to produce new variable instructional video. Again, thanking you very much. Keep supporting us. Have a nice day.